Hi, welcome to Automate Resolution for Application Installation on Linux Operating System using Jira and Rundeck. In this video, we are going to demonstrate application installation on Linux Operating System using user requests from the Jira Service Desk and resolution from the Rundeck Runbook Automation tool. The tool which are used for this scenario are Jira Service Desk and Rundeck Runbook Automation tool. Let's explore the workflow of application installation on Linux operating system using Jira and Rundeck stage by stage. The first stage, a user creates an issue with required details for application installation on a Linux host machine using the Jira Service Desk ticketing tool. In the next stage, once the ticket gets approved by the manager, then the Rundeck job will be triggered to install the application on the Linux host machine. If the issue gets rejected, an alert mail is sent to the user. In the next stage, the Rundeck job will execute a script that has an instruction to install the application on the Linux host machine based on the issue raised. Once the Rundeck job completes, an email is triggered to the user. Finally, an email for the completion of application installation on the Linux host machine is sent to the user. Let's see the pipeline in action. In the first stage, a user creates an issue on the Jira Service Desk ticketing tool by filling out the required details on the fields like project name, issue type, due date, summary and description of the issue, assign a name for the approval, select the priority type from the drop-down list, provide user mail ID for notification, select the host machine from the server list, and finally provide application name to install. Click on the Create button for issue creation. Now we can see the issue has been created and it shows in waiting stage for approval. In the next stage, here is the issue created for application installation which shows in the waiting stage for the manager's approval. Once the issue gets approved, the Rundeck job was triggered. In the next stage, the Rundeck job will execute the script to install the requested application on the host machine given by the user's request. Once the installation completes, an email was triggered. Finally, an email for the completion of application installation on the Linux host machine was sent to the user. This is the complete workflow of Automate Resolution for application installation on Linux operating system using Jira and Rundeck. For more information, please browse www.zipf.com. Please follow us on social media. Links are available in the description. Like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on the automated ops. Thanks for watching this video.